Hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox this die-cast little bike. So let's check the box. Die-cast model classic. 1:14 scale simulation alloy motor. So let's unbox this 1:14 scale model bike. So this is the 1:14 scale model sports bike of Yamaha. By the way, subscribe my channel now and click on the bell button to get notification of such new videos. So let's continue to the video. You have a well designed handle using which you can move the front tire left or right. The mirror wing is tiltable, both of them. Moreover, this back tire has suspension feature and this is a pullback action bike. So if you like this video, please click on the like button. Share my videos to your friends and families. Check the description to know more about this product. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed the video. So till our next video, bye.